Tired of having your outfits falling out of place or revealing a bit more than you intended? Got a special event like a wedding, prom, graduation, or professional engagement where you want your style and silhouette to look absolutely perfect? The Secoped double-sided anti-glare tape is a wonderful tool to help you dress neatly and temporarily repair your clothing throughout the day. This clothing tape is important because it avoids revealing your privacy. You won't need to worry about any more embarrassing slips, visible straps, or sagging necklines. This reliable medical grade adhesive is safe and sticky enough to use between sensitive skin and clothing, and also between clothes by itself. When putting it on, make sure the surface is clean and dry. This affordable design is easy to use and durable. Gently peel it off during the removal process. It will not ruin your clothes or leave any residue behind. The transparent clear color is suitable for all skin shades. Men, women, office workers, children, actors, and many others wear it daily with wedding dresses, v-neck dresses, shirts, loose collars, men's ties, trousers, socks, and boots. It is a 60-pack with a cute box, which is plenty, and simple to carry, store, and portable to travel with. Each strip of this tape is 0.47 inches wide by 3.35 inches long. Be sure to get yours today.